I will show you how to preserve fresh plums for a long period of time. I'll wash them first. Cut the plum in half and remove the stone. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I cleaned the plums and I need clean and wash jars. I will fill the jars with plums. Do not fill the jars to the top, so I will fill the other jars as well. Now I need lemon juice. I add a spoonful of lemon juice to each jar. If you add lemon juice, you don't need to add sugar and you can add it to taste. If you do not add lemon juice, you must add 2 tablespoons of sugar to each jar. I want to get compote and I will add 1 spoonful of sugar. I also added lemon juice. Botulism does not develop in a sweet or sour environment. I pour cold water into each jar to cover the plums. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour cold water up to the height of the pot cover. I put the pan on the stove. I'll cover it. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I will leave the jars to gradually cool in water. When the jars cool down, the center part of the lid must sink in. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you.